Yep, it's been really hot today.
Too many.
There's a little gizmo. There he is.
Stars are so wonderful.
Yep, it's really bright.
Oh, it's another little pile.
This is with the headlamp at 500 lumens. Yep, we get these little piles of a sparkly, I think it's like a feldspar, or something like that. Something similar to feldspar. It's just weird, yeah. Little piles of loose, sparkly stuff. Yeah.
It's really weird.
It is.
Mole trail.
Yep, we got this weird mole trail here for sure. It's the dirt bank. Been eroding. Got a little dog out here checking stuff out. Yep, the headlamp is super cool. I really like it. He's looking for Gizmo. Gizmo is like, whatever you're looking at, I'm looking at.
He goes crazy.
He likes those dirt things.
Yeah, they're like dirt.
He's very silly.